The idea of Telangana Rising is an important one. Important because it holds on to the critical notion that prosperity needs to be shared, that everyone has to be made full participant in the prosperity project of the state. And I think by articulating that so explicitly, Telangana has taken a very important step. That said, I think it's very important also that we don't forget that each of these things, each project of this kind of Telangana Rising ultimately depends on taking the right set of small steps. Every big change is built out of small steps. And I think I like the fact that amidst this grand vision, amidst these thoughts about, prosperity, growth, 3 trillion economy, there is also a very concrete set of thoughts which are about how to get there, such as the thought about ensuring that 80% of the children are able to do math and read at grade level when they're in 3rd grade. This is a very doable goal. It's a very important goal, and it represents a way of thinking that I totally endorse, which is we need to break the whole claim of human liberation, human development into a set of feasible steps. And I think as if we continue in this, I think we will see that there are many other such steps that need to be taken, and each step needs to be tested, thought about, seen in the spirit of being, we have a grand project, but we are willing to be patient and we're willing to do what it takes. So congratulations again, and I hope this is really a launch of a great movement.